A coil has an area of 0.05 meter square and it has 800 turns. It is placed perpendicularly in a magnetic field of strength 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 Weber per meter square. It is rotated through 90 degree in 0.1 seconds. The average EMF induced in the coil is. Now here, if you see in this question, so suppose we have a coil like this initially we have a coil like this, and provided information is that magnetic field is it is placed perpendicular. Suppose magnetic field is like this. Perfect. So now we know that area vector will be the in k cap direction perpendicular to this axis. So that means we know that the value of phi 1 or phi initial will be is equal to B dot A, and because of that we know that this will be the BA cos 0, and we know that phi initial will be B into A into 1, right? And now the second case is that this coil is being rotated. So this coil is being rotated like this with 90 degree. Rotated. So now magnetic field lines are again in this plane only, but area vector is right now perpendicular to this. So what is the angle right now? Angle will be 90 degree. So we know that the value of phi 2 or phi final will be is equal to B dot A, and this time it corresponds to cos 90 degree. That gives us phi final will be 0. Correct. So what they are asking now, they are asking the induced EMF. So we know that induced EMF E is going to be minus delta phi upon delta t. This is the value. And now we know that delta phi. So delta phi will be phi final minus phi initial divided by delta t. So with that knowledge, I can write minus 0 minus B into A divided by what is delta t? Delta t, let's say t final minus t initial 0. So I can write it as BA by t. Correct. One more thing I missed. I need to multiply it with n because there are number of turns which are provided in the question. So this will become NBA by t. Now what are the values? So values is area is equal to 0.05 meter square, which will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. Number of turns n are 800, and magnetic field B is 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 Weber per meter square. So now if you put the values, you get E is equal to n is 800, B is equal to, just I have written 4 into 10 to the power minus 5, and area cross section is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 and divide by 0.1. So what do I get from this? So this will be 8, 5 into 4, this will be 20, 20 into 8 into 10 to the power 2 into 5 and 2, 7, 10 to the power minus 7 into 10 because of this 0.1. Okay, so this much volts will be the value. Now solve it little bit. So this will be 8 into 2, 16 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 6, which will give us 1.6 into, this will be 10 to the power minus 3. So this will be 10 to the power minus 2, right? So now this will give us 0.016 volts. Perfect. So this has to be the right choice. So which option is correct? Option number 4 is the right choice.